Actually, it's Joanne Boster Schroeder, but everybody calls me Joan here. Again, I grew up on a big farm, plus I was the band director here for 30 years, and I taught 35 years. And I had the whole program at Hastings. There weren't 2 or 2.5 directors, there was one my last 3 years of teaching. And in those last 3 years, Louis was on the school board, and he and Mary came to me with this idea that they'd found of a concert they do out in Kansas, out in a hayfield. And I kept putting him off because I just didn't have enough energy or time to add another big event. So when Spencer White was hired to be the band director here, after he was hired, I said, oh yeah, there's this concert. Have started doing this with all the proceeds going to the band program. Their daughter graduated. She was in band, Lillian, and she graduated, and they just keep supporting the schools. And